Hey guys, look at these examples. It is so easy. Don't you think so? I can't wait to do it. Let's start. Question number 1. Classify the following numbers as rational or irrational. Example 1. 2 minus square root of 5. First one is 2 minus square root of 5. See here. 2 is rational number and square root of 5 is an irrational number. Isn't it? You already know one rational number and an irrational number, subtraction or addition, multiplication or division always results in an irrational number only. If you have any doubt, let us do that. We know that square root of 5 is equal to 2.2360679 and so on. Here, this number is non-terminating and non-recurring. Now, substituting the value of square root of 5 in 2 minus square root of 5, we get 2 minus square root of 5 is equal to 2 minus 2.2360679 and so on is equal to minus 0.2360679. Since the number minus 0.2360679 and so on is non-terminating and non-recurring, therefore 2 minus square root of 5 is an irrational number. Second example, 3 plus square root of 23 minus square root of 23. Solution. When we open the bracket, this will be 3 plus square root of 23 minus square root of 23 is equal to plus square root of 23 and minus square root of 23 get cancelled, leaving us with 3 only. Number 3, we can write it as 3 by 1. Since the number 3 by 1 is in P by Q form, so 3 plus square root of 23 minus square root of 23 is rational. Example 3. 2 square root of 7 divided by 7 square root of 7. See here, we can rewrite it as 2 by 7 into square root of 7 by square root of 7. We know that square root of 7 by square root of 7 is equal to 1. Hence, 2 by 7 into 1 is equal to 2 by 7. Since the number 2 by 7 is in P by Q form, 2 square root of 7 divided by 7 square root of 7 is a rational number. Example 4. 1 by square root of 2. Solution. Multiplying and dividing the numerator and denominator by square root of 2, we get 1 divided by square root of 2 into square root of 2 divided by square root of 2. See here, numerator 1 into square root of 2 is equal to square root of 2. Here denominator square root of 2 into square root of 2 is equal to square root of 2 square is equal to 2. So the answer is square root of 2 divided by 2. We know that square root of 2 is equal to 1.4142 and so on. Then square root of 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1.4142 divided by 2 is equal to 0.7071 and so on. Since the number 0.7071 and so on is non-terminating and non-recurring, therefore 1 by square root of 2 is an irrational number. Fifth one, 2 pi. Solution. We know that the value of pi is equal to 3.1415. Hence, 2 is equal to 2 into 3.1415 and so on is equal to 6.2830 and so on. Since the number 6.2830 is non-terminating and non-recurring, so 2 pi is an irrational number. Pi is equal to 22 by 7 is equal to 3.1415 is not exact value of pi. It is an approximate value. Example 2. Simplify each of the following expressions. Example 1. 3 plus square root of 3 into 2 plus square root of 2. Solution. First we will simplify the expression by multiplying the terms and we get 3 into 2 plus square root of 3 into 2 plus 3 into square root of 2 plus square root of 3 into square root of 2 is equal to 3 into 2 is 6 plus square root of 3 into 2 plus 3 into square root of 2 plus square root of 6. That's it. This is the answer. We can't simplify further. Next example. Example 2. 3 plus square root of 3 into 3 minus square root of 3. Solution. Here we will simplify the expression using the a square minus b square identity. You know that a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Here we notice that in this expression a is equal to 3 and b is equal to square root of 3. So we get the answer as 3 square minus square root of 3 square, that is equal to 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. It is very simple, isn't it? Example 3. Square root of 5 plus square root of 2 whole square. Solution. Here we will use the formula a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So putting the value a is equal to square root of 5 and b is equal to square root of 2. We get square root of 5 plus square root of 2 whole square is equal to square root of 5 square plus 2 into square root of 5 into square root of 2 plus square root of 2 whole square. That is equal to square root of 5 square is 5 plus 2 into square root of 5 into square root of 2 is 2 into square root of 10. Square root of 2 square is equal to 2. So answer is 7 plus 2 square root of 10. This is the answer. Example 4. Square root of 5 minus square root of 2 into square root of 5 plus square root of 2. Here we will simplify the expression using the identity a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Here we notice that in this expression a is equal to square root of 5 and b is equal to square root of 2. That is equal to square root of 5 square minus square root of 2 square. Square root of 5 square is 5 and square root of 2 square is 2. That is equal to 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. 3 is the answer. Question number 3. Recall pi is defined as the ratio of the circumference of a circle, say C, to its diameter, say D. That is, pi is equal to C by D. This seems to contradict the fact that pi is irrational. How will you resolve this contradiction? Solution. There is no contradiction. When we measure the value with a scale, we only obtain an approximate value. We never obtain an exact value. Therefore, we may not realize whether C or D is irrational. The value of pi is almost equal to 22 by 7 or 3.142857 and so on. See here, this is a circle. This is the center of the circle. This is the circumference of the circle and this is diameter of the circle. See, pi is equal to C by D. When we measure the circumference of the circle, it never gives you exact value. It gives you approximate value. Diameter also gives you approximate value. So, the value of pi, what we get is also an approximate value. Therefore, pi is an irrational number and there is no contradiction. I think it is clear to you. Be a warrior, not a worrier. Thanks for watching.